to install latest version of wedding directory theme. First, go to dashboard, go to Envato market page. You will see this page. You can create Envato API token by clicking here. Okay. After you get, here is your purchase items. I refresh this page now because I already updated token. Okay, now I'm using version is I'm using 1.3.1 version, and latest version I can easily to see in changelog. Wedding directory theme version 1.3.2 is available on February 27 date. View changelog. What's new in this theme? Slider mobile CSS text, header meta, user scale no. Okay. Okay, I want to install latest version theme. Okay. I can easy to click here update available button, or I can easy to click here update now. Okay, both option is available. You can anyone try it. I install update here update now. Okay, I have latest version 1.3.2 installed on my site. I refresh this page. Okay, I have 1.3.2 is installed on my site. This is theme version installations process. Thank you.